The major religions and their population percentages across various countries worldwide. 99.7% Islam religion in Afghanistan, 58.4% Islam religion in Albania, 96.1% Islam religion in Algeria, 60.1% Christianity religion in Angola, 76.9% Christianity religion in Argentina, 52.2% Christianity religion in Australia, 89.6% Islam religion in Bangladesh, 73.7% Christianity religion in Brazil, 71.3% Christianity religion in Canada, 22.8% Buddhism religion in China, 79.8% Christianity religion in Colombia, 90% Islam religion in Egypt, 43.5% Christianity religion in Ethiopia, 51% Christianity religion in France, 51.8% Christianity religion in Germany, 79.8% Hinduism religion in India, 87.2% Islam religion in Indonesia, 97.9% Islam religion in Iran, 62% Islam religion in Iraq, 83% Christianity religion in Italy, 39.2% Buddhism religion in Japan, 85.5% Christianity religion in Kenya, 60.3% Islam religion in Malaysia, 82.7% Christianity religion in Mexico, 50.7% Christianity religion in Nigeria, 96.7% Islam religion in Pakistan, 81% Christianity religion in the Philippines, 71.4% Christianity religion in Russia, 85.8% Islam religion in Saudi Arabia, 79.6% Christianity religion in South Africa, 29.2% Christianity religion in South Korea, 78.3% Christianity religion in Spain, 97% Islam religion in Sudan, 70% Islam religion in Syria, 61.4% Christianity religion in Tanzania, 94.6% Buddhism religion in Thailand, 99.8% Islam religion in Turkey, 89.4% Christianity religion in Uganda, 59.4% Christianity religion in the United Kingdom, 70.6% Christianity religion in the United States, 70.3% Buddhism religion in Vietnam, 65% Islam religion in Yemen.
Follow for more videos like this and share with your friends.